Elegance Empire.
Where are you coming from, dressed like this? And what are you doing with Regina?
I love you. Come here.
I ain't worried about nothing. I am wearing a nada. I'm sitting.
All for today, right?
Yeah, we're done.
Okay, so right now we're gonna move to this. You take this.
No. So we want to do this.
What?
We just want to do some push-ups.
The picture, I'ma get you fired. I know you're always on the night shift, but I can't stand these days alone. And I don't need no explanation, 'cause baby, you're the boss at home. You don't gotta go to work.
Pascal. Can you listen? Will you stand by me through this war? Because the war to us.
Baby, you know I'm gonna stand by you with any world. And just forget about Oscar.
But in them hours, I'ma make it hard.
I was sleeping.
Oh, so now because you're taking my cheek, you've grown wings, you can now ignore me, right?
That's why I don't love him. I don't just love that guy.
What's the meaning of that rubbish you were doing in the class? Oscar, you came here to concentrate on your books and not to concentrate on any guy in this school.
The thing is, Regina told me you asked her out, but she didn't accept.
Regina told you I asked her out. And you still go ahead asking her out. Are you?
Baby, I told you I love you. It's not, I don't love Oscar, it's you.
Hello.
Oscar, I supposed to. I love you.
Christabel,
I've been calling your phone all day. We're
I
not picking
was
up my calls.
wondering.
that's because I don't want to see you. I didn't want to talk to you. What are you doing here?
No, I just brought food for you. Are you hungry? I'm thinking about my books too. I love him.
I've lost appetite. I'm not going to eat any kind of food you have in this bag. So please, carry this bag, carry yourself, and go out of my compound.
Why are you doing this to me?
Can you
Oscar!
hear me?
Tell me, what have I done to deserve
I'm
this?
in
Oscar, there's
California
nothing I have not done for you.
about who
I've tried my best.
when we
Why
were
can't you just give
young.
love a chance? Oscar, I swear I love you so much. Can't you see?
I've
Christabel,
forgotten
I
how
love
it
you.
felt before.
But the truth is, I love Regina the most. Can't you get it?